Alright, so these brake lines on this car are pretty well rusted out. Um, so as you can see, I've taken off these two caps here, which go to the rear brake lines. The one on the bottom, all the way down, goes to the driver's side brake. The one on top here goes to the passenger side front brake, and these two on the front here go to the master cylinder here. So, until I can actually get these brake lines replaced, in order to actually be able to use this car, I don't recommend it. But if you must, what you can do is you can take the rusted off lines out. Here's one that I've already done. This is for one of the rear brake lines, and I've taken it out and I've actually welded it completely shut with a welding rod, with my arc welder. This is partially welding rod and partially rusted brake line in here. So what I can do with this now is I can put this inside where one of the rear brakes would connect, and I'm gonna have both of these shut, so I'm gonna have no rear brakes. But I'll at least be able to use the front brakes, because I'll be blocking off any of the brake lines that go to a rusted through line, and at least I'll have something to slow this car down instead of nothing. So, and these things are super easy to make. You just take this connector here and weld it shut, basically, and then you can actually use these to block off a master cylinder and diagnose that, or whatever else you can use for these. But I mean, you can even throw these in your glove box, and if your brake line happens to blow out, you can just pop one of these things in the line that blew out, and then you can use your other three lines to get home with instead of having nothing. But got one done. Got to weld this one up now, get that all shut off so I can pop those two back on and keep you guys updated.